I'm a Nigerian living in Finland, and one of the things that caught my attention when I first visited the Finnish market was the collection of ready-made meals they have. In Nigeria, we have ready-made meals, but not as much as you can find in Finnish markets. So I always wonder to myself, what do these meals taste like? Truth be told, a lot of homes in Finland eat these meals. These are meals you can just pick up, put in your bag, and head to work. These are meals you can just stock in your fridge and have them when you do not feel like turning the stove on. So for the next 30 days, I will be trying different meals from Finnish market. So our first meal on this series is spinach decayito. This is how much calories it has. Get it out, and this is what you have. So let's go microwave it and give it a try. I'll be right back. It's pretty good. It tastes like there is butter in it, and of course, there is cream. But there's this other smooth taste I'm getting. It's really good. What? Is by far one of the best Finnish soups I've ever had since I arrived in Finland. And I'm definitely going to have it again. If there's any ready meal in the market you would want me to try, feel free to let me know in the comments. And do you like spinach soup? No. Do you like Finnish spinach soup?